Out of the Dark is a 2D top-down maze game made by me, Hayden, Carroll, and my friend Austin Kugler. Some notable features include a fully fledged settings menu and a maze builder utility so you can design your own mazes to play. This game was created using the C++ SFML framework. The first thing we will show off is the settings menu.
The settings menu allows the player's preferences to be set. Players have options for playing music and audio, game difficulty, frame rate max, and whether an FPS counter is displayed. Preferences are persistently saved in settings files. Throughout this video you will hear background music playing. This music was composed by me, Austin Kugler. Furthermore, the majority of the graphics in the game were created by our team. Out of the Dark can persistently store up to 3 preset or custom game saves. Each level is made up of 8 unique game tiles that the player moves between by clicking the desired tile. Each tile has special properties that you can read about in the game handbook, linked in the description. There are 3 tiles that can cause damage in different ways. A health bar is present in the bottom left corner and becomes progressively more red as the player takes damage. Once the health bar is expended, the player dies and can attempt the maze again. The game is won when the green ending square is reached. On the way to the green square, you will encounter 3 tile types that cause damage. The diseased tile type causes the player to drastically slow down and take a small amount of damage. The trapped tile contains a bear trap that instantly deals a significant amount of damage. The burning tile will cause the player to burn for several seconds after it is stepped on.
The game difficulty can be changed in settings. Previous footage was on easy mode. Selecting hard mode decreases the field of view and removes the visibility of the health bar. This increases the difficulty of navigating the maze.
Out of the Dark was designed with the concepts of polymorphism in mind. The back-end implementation of the game contains virtual functions, object-oriented programming, comprehensive documentation, and module-based code separation. The project is primarily written in C++ with some Python for file management.
This is the maze builder. Here's where you will be able to create your own maze to your liking, as shown in the video. The maze is a 512 by 512 square grid filled with stone walls in the beginning. The block the mouse is on is shown in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. The different blocks include the start and end blocks, the damage blocks, and the bloodied stone path. Note that the bloodied stone path is simply a different look to the regular stone path. The user can select a path or other blocks and place them down wherever they choose, and right-click to turn a block into a wall. The arrow and WASD keys can be used to move the position of the maze. The maze can also be resized using the preview button for larger mazes. To save a maze, click the Save button.
Saving a maze creates a new file with the .maze file extension. This saved maze file can be opened by selecting one of the 3 game save slots and then choosing the previously saved maze file. After the maze has been loaded into the game slot, it can be played like any other maze. The entire settings functionality is still present in custom mazes and can be accessed by pressing the escape key while playing. We hope you enjoyed this game presentation. Have fun escaping the dark.